Okay, today we'll be testing the Linda laundry soap detergent that everybody seemed to be raving about. This was recommended to my wife for cleaning sports dirty wear. My son's into baseball, so this seemed to be effective. So today we're going to be testing on cleaning a lunch bag, very dirty lunch bag, and see if it's effective as well. And we'll let you see the before and after. Let's get started. Okay, so here is my daughter's lunch bag. It's pretty dirty and disgusting. Look at all the stains in there, all the leakage of food and whatever it is, contaminants. And look at that lunch bag. You feel like you have to throw it away, but it's such a wasteful thing to do. And you want to preserve the lunch bag. You still want it to be used and not be laughed at because you have a dirty lunch bag. So we're going to use Linda soap to clean this. Let's see what happened. Okay, as you can see, my wife, the first thing that she did is to soak the lunch bag with water and then scrub it with Linda soap where the stains are. Okay, so scrub it well, get all the soap in there, and then once you do that, use a scrub to scrub out the stain as much as you can. Get the soap stud in there and wash it down with water, as you can see here, and then just squeeze up all the water. Okay, and then you're ready for it to dry out in the sun. Okay, now we can leave the lunch bags in the sun, leave it for a couple hours, and it should be okay when it's dried, and we'll have a look at it. Okay, so here we have the lunch bag that's cleaned and dried. As you can see, several hours of drying, and the stain is almost gone with a few exceptions to the bottom corner there, but other than that it looks pretty clean, and now my daughter can actually use it for school. I think something that she'll be proud of, that doesn't look like it's dirty anymore and ready to be used again. So you can try that Linda soap on sportwear as well as lunch bag now. Thanks for watching. EducateTube.com.